So the internet out there is simply full of multiple end-to-end workflows and valuable workflows, and people are creating videos regularly on valuable multiple end-to-end workflows which can be sellable to the businesses out there. I am also creating some of the videos on it and going to create some of the more helpful end-to-end maybe. Okay, so the thing is that at this moment, one thing we need to understand is that selling, just going and pitching to the businesses that I have this workflow and just get it, and just this could be valuable and whatever, this sometimes does not get gives the complete idea of that how valuable that can be for a business, because people are non-technical, businesses are non-technical, they don't care about what the technology you use. But if you can show them that this is the value you can get out of it, this could be very valuable for you, or whatever. So this completely shifts their mindset, and they can easily get interested into it to know more about it. Okay, so how you can do it? This can be easily done at this moment if you use N8N workflow plus a UI with it. And if you can show a simple dashboard, kind of a SaaS business kind of thing. For example, if you go to a domain and just show that for your business, I have made or we have this system, you just have to put this input or whatever, and you will get some output out of it. Or you can just manage your leads from this completely. Okay, or maybe you can see all the sales happening in this dashboard, whatever. Okay, and this can be easily done by using tools like uh, this Lovable, or you can say there is tools like Windsurf, there is tools like a cursor. So these are some amazing tools you can use to create these kind of UIs, which people are not doing so much right now. There are multiple people who are selling these uh, simple bundle in a very big package. Okay, they are selling it for maybe 5,000 to $10,000. I have seen people doing that. Okay, but I'm not saying ki you just go and sell these workflows in $5,000 at your first sale, but you can do it. For example, maybe a $500 or $1,000, but that could be a very valuable for you as well as the business right now, according to what the market is. And the thing is that most of the people are getting into it, so that's why this is getting saturated. So you have to take the steps a bit faster, and you can get into it, and this is going to be more crazy, more great. Okay, so let me just show you as well. Don't just we don't just say. For example, you can just come to this GitHub repo, and you can see these are multiple repositories. These are completely free, you can access them. Okay, and you can pick any kind of, for example, let's say this is a simple telegram schedule, automate scheduled. Okay, whatever, you need to understand that how this is working, how much valuable this is, or whatever it is actually doing. And I'm not saying ki, you can just go and sell this specific workflow out there, or maybe any one specific. You might need to tweak it according to the business, and then sell it or pitch it. But the thing is that you have the baseline ready. Okay, you just can go and just paste it, and you have this workflow. Okay, you can just test it and just show it as well. But the more better thing would be, you can just go to ChatGPT. Okay, and just put this thing. Sorry, this is so specific. Yeah, help me pick some best uh, sellable anytime from this repo which I for valuable for businesses. Okay, so now you can see it is scraping it, and it looks like it cannot browse the folder directly. You could paste. Okay, so what you can do is you can just go and maybe Just maybe pick these kind of names only. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, this is not the complete list, but yeah, it can give you some idea. So yeah, it, it came up with some of the amazing ideas from it. Okay, for example, calendly filter, create trigger, or whatever. Okay, you just need to pick that specific anytime workflow. Now you need to, let's say, maybe we pick this. Now for this, help me with a best prompt for Lovable for so that I can create some UI for it. Okay, now it will be going to give you a prompt. Simple, you can just put it into the okay, you just need to go to the Lovable and you can put it. It will automatically do the rest of the work for you. Okay, and now there is one more thing. In the meanwhile, I just wanted to show you that there is one API and there is one concept of webhook. You can use these both things to integrate or make workable UI workflows with Anytime, because webhook can trigger Anytime workflow easily anytime on the click of a button on the UI or whatever, and in response to that it will be going to give the output to the same app. Okay, and you can just create some logic around it and it can easily work. Okay, so this is possible right now, and as you can see this is working. I think it was not working. Now it is started working. So yeah, the opportunities are unlimited. Okay, whatever you uh, think you can do. So yeah, as you can see, this just came up with a simple dashboard where you can just pick whatever the trigger you want, and accordingly it will be going to set the filter and whatever. So we need to get into the details of what exactly this workflow is doing. Sorry, not this, the one which we pick in this. So accordingly, as you can see, if what do you think, if you go to a business and just pitch this, that this is what we have, you just have to do this steps and you are going to get some results out of it. And so yeah, as you can see, this just came up with a simple dashboard where you can just pick whatever the trigger you want, and accordingly it will be going to set the filter and whatever. So we need to get into the details of what exactly this workflow is doing. Sorry, not this, the one which we pick in this. So accordingly, as you can see, if What do you think? If you go to a business and just pitch this, that this is what we have, you just have to do this steps, and you are going to get some results out of it. And what do you think, that businesses are going to respond you or not? There's very high possibility that you will get some response, some positive response, that they might going to get interested into it. Okay, so for make it a bit more feasible for you, you just have to pick a specific niche, then accordingly pick a pain point, create a simple N8N workflow, and then create UI with it and start selling, getting visible, get in front of the ICP, the specific this niche people. Okay, you are going to get some of the response, because this is amazing and people are doing it, and this at this moment people are generating some crazy money out of it. So this is what I have to say in this video. So yeah, now go and grab the opportunity, and if you think that this channel is getting value, you are getting any kind of value from this channel, just follow along. So yeah, thank you. Let's meet in our next video.